आम सरकारंकर ये गोटे दमदार योजना कौन ठीक कहली टी हौ हेला आसिले आसिले प्रथमे आम सुजल लोगोटा को उन्मोचन करबा। बुझिले आज्ञा जल होची आम जीवन तेणु लोक माने केमिति ए सेवा ठीक भावरे पाइबे सेथि भाई आमे सब बेले प्रस्तुत हेई देखिले देखिले जने भाई ना वाटकोर 24 घंटिया ग्राहक सेवा केंद्र को फोन करी कौन असुविधा कथा कहिलेनी चिंता करंतुनी आज्ञा कहा घरे पानी आसुनी कि कोउठी बाटरे पाइप फाटी जाईची जहां भी असुविधा थिबो तार समाधान करबा को आम क्विक रेस्पॉन्स टीम पूरा रेडी। हाँ आउ गोटे कथा पानी रो मान माने क्वालिटी ता ऊपर हमर सदा बेले नजर सेइथि पई विभिन्न जगह रे पहुंची जल परीक्षा करबा को रहिছে हमर लैब ऑन व्हील्स टीम। देखलेटी पानी रो केमिति चटापट परीक्षा हे गला हेई देखिले पानी रो मान विषय रे लोकन को जणाइबाकू विभिन्न जगह रे केमिति एलईडी डिस्प्ले बोर्ड लागिची आहा बढ़िया एबे राज्यर 15टी सहर रे घरे घरे ड्रिंक फ्रॉम टैप मानर पानी पहुंचेबा पई जल जोगाण व्यवस्था रे विशेष उन्नतिकरण कार्य आरंभ करा जाईची। 15 लाख रु अधिक लोक परा एथिरु सुविधा पाइबे कोन कम कथा। भुवनेश्वर पुरी ब्रह्मपुर और राउरकेला ए चारिटी सहरर 3 लाख रु अधिक लोकंक घरे एबे पानी मीटर लगा आरंभ हेबाकू जाउची। बुझिले आज्ञा पानी बड़ मूल्यवान ताकू जम्मारू नष्ट करिवेनी। आहा केते कथा कहि गली मो विषय रे माने सुजल विषय रे तो तेणु मन खोलिकी टिके गपी देली आउ हौ जीवा आगरु आम ब्रोशर माने सूचना पुस्तिका को उन्मोचन करिबा एथिरे सब कथा लेखा हेची पढिबाकू भूलिबेनी। ड्रिंक फ्रॉम टैप मिशन रो वार्ता लोकंक पाखरे पहुंचाइबाकू यूनिसेफ सहायता रे कम्युनिकेशन स्ट्रेटेजी प्रस्तुत होईची ताकू मध्य एबे उन्मोचन करिबा। हौ आज्ञा एबे मते विदाकी दियंतु एबे तो आपनक साथी रे मोर नीति देखा हेबो। नमस्कार जुहार।
माननीय मुख्यमंत्री के तरफ पानी पी
क्लास पियो पानी
And for that time,
अनुरोध करी भुवनेश्वर सिटी रे नुआ करी जड़ित होइतिबा जलसाथी मानक मोबाइल बिलिंग मशीन एवं वाटर टेस्टिंग किट प्रदान करेंगे।
पर जन की राशि जन की पठा जन की पठा क्या पे टिके रहो टिके मार रहो से एकाडी फोटो न बापू जमा सेटिंग जावे बस
धन्यवाद सर वाटो तरफरु लेबरर्स मानकु विशेष करी माइग्रेंट लेबर मानकु पानी मिस्त्री ट्रेनिंग पानी मिस्त्री ट्रेनिंग करी एम्पैनल करिवा पई नुवा योजना करा जाईची सेतिरे ट्रेनिंग कंप्लीट करितबा पई मिस्त्री मानकु ट्रेनिंग सर्टिफिकेट करिया पई माननीय मंत्री महोदय को अनुरोध करबी
ताली बात कर लो
भुवनेश्वर सारा देश रे 10 लाख रु अधिक पॉपुलेशन थिबा सहर मध्यरु प्रथम हितिबा माननीय मंत्री को तारु एमडी वाटको मिस्टर पीके स्वाइन को शील्ड ऑफ साइटेशन प्रदान करिया पई अनुरोध करूची I would now request Honorable Minister to deliver shield and citation to MD Watco, Water Corporation of Odisha for achieving the first city in the entire million plus city in the entire country to achieve 100% coverage with 100% house connection. ସେହିପରି ଗୋପାଳପୁର ଦିଗପଗଣ୍ଡି ଆଉ କାଶୀନଗର ପୌରପାଳିକାରେ ବି 100% ପାଇପ୍ ୱାଟର ସପ୍ଲାଇ with 100% ହାଉସ୍ କନେକ୍ସନ ପ୍ରାପ୍ତ କରିଥିବାରୁ ଶ୍ରୀ ସୀତାରାମ ପଣ୍ଡାଙ୍କୁ shield ଆଉ ସାଇଟେସନ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରିବା ପାଇଁ ଅନୁରୋଧ କରୁଛି। More cities have achieved 100% pipe water supply coverage with 100% house connection and Honorable Minister has delivered citation and shield to the concerned executive engineer. धन्यवाद सर। वर्तमान आमे पूरी मसाणी चंडी की जिबा सेटारे बस्ती बासिंदा सहित उपस्थित अछंती मान्यवर मंत्री श्रीजुक्त तुषार कांति बेहरा महोदय एवं जिलापाल ऑनरेबल विधायक भी अछंती से मानकु स्वागत करिछि। वर्तमान मु अनुरोध करिबी dedicate the mission by drinking from the tap. Now Honorable MLA draws water from the tap and he would drink. Mr. Balwant Singh. धन्यवाद सर। वर्तमान मु अनुरोध करी आम संगे पूरी रे जोड़ित होइतिबा नुआ जलसाथी मानकु मोबाइल बिलिंग मशीन आउ वाटर टेस्टिंग किट प्रदान करिया पई धन्यवाद सर। Thank you, sir. Thank you. Thank you. Now I would request Mr. Tim Wainwright, Chief Executive, WaterAid UK, to kindly deliver his address.
United Kingdom, I speak to you from my home, Tim Wainwright, Chief Executive of WaterAid UK. Congratulations to the state government for a successful pilot and the intention to roll this out to all urban areas, and in particular The Jalsati groups provide a very innovative approach to promoting equality and sustainability, something the world can learn from. Indeed, the world, I think, is very much influenced positively by India's commitment to water in general under the Jal Jeevan mission. And I see many other countries following India's lead, in Africa, for instance. I'm delighted to see that British Water and the Jal Shakti have signed a collaboration, and I look forward to seeing this leading to joint working. WaterAid is committed to support Odisha, sharing our global expertise, and we wish the state government and all partners the very best of success. Congratulations. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Now, I would request our Secretary, Ministry of Housing and Urban Affairs, Sri Durga Shankar Mishra, to kindly deliver his address.
Honorable Minister of Orissa, Honorable Ministers in the Government of Orissa, Honorable Members of Parliaments and Member of Legislative Assemblies who are participating in today's great event, Secretary Mathi and various other officers who have joined this program, a very good morning to you. At the outset, let me extend my heartiest congratulations to the Government of Orissa for achieving something which is for the first time in the country, drink from tap. It is something which needs to be done across the country, and that is why I have requested all smart cities, all the municipal costs across the country, they are all viewing up, and they will all take inspiration and learn from here. Been done in rest in all our operations. So heartiest congratulations. I also would like to congratulate Government of Orissa in that for the first time conceived a scheme of Atal Mission for Urban Rejuvenation and Transformation. Our Prime Minister had a target of capacity building of the cities and making sure that 100% households get water connection by the mission period. And under this scheme, we took 500 cities. The scheme has not only led to preparation of plan for every cities, but also executing them in a way that they are all done in a time. And there Odisha took a lead, and that is why they ranked first in the country among all the states. Just congratulations for that. I see from this drink tap what has done. There are many lessons to learn. One, the use of technology. I mean, whether it is for monitoring quality of water, whether it is for public awareness, putting that boards in the public so that they know that what is the quality of water, they get the confidence to drink it, or whether it is use of the sensors and SCADA devices, so use of technology big way, women empowerment and the employment through the Jal Sathis, that's another way. I think it's a large scale. Ladies will be employed on this work. The third is about reducing the new water, making sure, I mean, the training of the plumbers, which is going to commence, is a very, very important, because the loss of in our cities is as much as 30 to 50%. That's why we are not able to provide 24/7 water. Once we provide 24/7 and drink from, definitely the water consumption per head is down by 40 to 50%. So that it will also add towards the Jal Jeevan mission. We will be able to conserve water. Orissa has all been a forerunner among the states in the fecal sludge and septic, so that they can treat the water and get that water consumed. That's is a water conservation, water balance is a very good step. In fact, I was there. We launched this program in Bhubaneswar itself in presence of Honorable Minister. When this has taken, taken now in various parts of the country, Orissa is doing very well under this scheme. So overall, this is also going to lead to saving of energy. Unnecessary people have to treat. And what is the most significant part of drinking from tap? Because almost half diseases are water diseases, and those who are impacted most are the most vulnerable population. Those who are poor, those who cannot afford to treat water, so they are the most impacted. So this scheme is going to help the poor at large, and that way, I will request that our Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, when we have a Angikar Yojana in which we integrate various of the government of India and the state government to our beneficiaries of Pradhan Mantri Awas Yojana, I will request they should be given a high priority. I would also like to congratulate four of the cities who have been awarded today for 100% water tap connections. We had a target of 1.4 crore water tap. That was the gap assessed year 2015, and today we have already reached to 82 lakhs, and a good amount of that has been contributed by government of Orissa towards achieving this target. So in all, this whole scheme of the drink from tap, making sure that all the cities get this facility is started from Bhubaneswar and Puri in few wards, but it will extend to 15 cities, and the program is also today. So UNICEF has played an important role there. Would like to thank them for partnering in this kind of a scheme, and I'm sure this is going to lead to our Amrut when we have covered our cities, and very soon we are going to cover the Amrut cities, and then we'll extend to through the Jal Jeevan Mission to all the cities. We have very soon the inspiration coming from Orissa translated to all other cities, and they will lead to drink from tap, and will get all the benefits which are going to accrue to Orissa. So thank you, Mati, for inviting me.